All right, Fed Chief Jerome Powell made it pretty clear rates are going up. Didn't obviously telegraph how much are going up, but they're going up, and already the pinch on some housing is being seen here. Not in prices, though, but it is a double whammy for those looking to buy a home, that the prices of those homes are climbing, as well as the cost to get the mortgage for them. If you're so lucky, housing expert Rick Sharga on this. Rick, what do you think? How does it look right now?
I think the numbers are speaking for themselves right now, Neil. We've had 2 consecutive months where existing home sales have dropped. We've had 2 consecutive months, and 4 of the last 5 where new home sales have dropped. Prices are simply accelerating faster than people's wages are, and you layer on top of that higher interest rates, and it becomes difficult for a lot of people to find homes they can afford.
So, Rick, what is the cutoff point? I mean, we look at things in traditional 30-year fixed-rate mortgages. I know you have 15 years and all that, and a lot of variations, but what is sort of the cutoff point for a lot of people when you get close to over 5%, 6%? What would be the point at which people say no mas?
Well, you and I are probably both old enough to remember when we had mortgages with two numbers to the left of the decimal.
Absolutely.
So it really depends on everything else. It depends on what wages are doing. It depends on what home prices are. What I would tell you is that in some of the hotter markets, the Seattle, San Francisco's, Dallas, Austin, places where home prices have been appreciating very rapidly, we're likely to see home price appreciation at least start to slow down. If not, to start to see a minor downturn in some of the home prices as interest rates tick up. In context, Neil, the average borrower will wind up paying about $30 extra per $100,000 financed every time the rates go up by ½ a point. So if the median price of a house today is $240,000, that's about $75 a month. Doesn't sound like much, but it adds up to about $27,000 over the life of a loan.
Holy cow. No, it does add up, to your point. Rick, thank you. With all this breaking news, I wish we'd have more time, but I appreciate your insights on this. So